Click the New Customer Group button to create a new group. Enter the group name and, if desired, enter a description and click the Save button. To edit an existing customer group name, click the Edit pen icon, make your changes and click the Save button. Once you have all your customer groups created, you can also change the order of the customer groups in the portal. Changing the order here will also change the order they are displayed on the customer group drop-down options. To move our new VIP group to the top, move your mouse over the group name, then click and hold and drag the group to the desired position. Now we have all our customer groups set up, we can start adding customers to them. There are a number of ways to do this. When creating or editing a customer on both the web portal or Register, you will now see the customer group option. Simply click Customer Group and select the groups they belong to. You can select more than one group by clicking the tick boxes. Upon saving your customer, they will be added to the selected groups. You can also set the customer groups using an import file. In this instance, we will first export our existing customers. Once you have your customer export open, you will see a new customer group column. Simply enter the name of the customer groups in here to add the customers to the group. Don't forget to enter Yes in the import record column so the portal knows which rows to update. After saving your import sheet, go back to the web portal and import your data in the customer screen. After the import has completed, your customers will be updated and will now be in the customer groups. To view which customers are in a group, return to the Customers Group page and click the list icon next to the applicable group. This screen will display all customers in the current group. You can also add customers to the group by clicking the Add Customers button. From here, you can search for your customers and add the appropriate ones by clicking the tick boxes. Once you have selected the customers, click the Add button and click Done when you are finished. Further information on customer groups as well as importing and exporting data can also be found in your user manual, and if you still have any questions, please contact your support provider, whose details can be found in the Register menu or in the web portal.